What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Last night was a big oh hey nice. Last night something bad happened. Take a look underneath, bro. Oh, let me get that. Take a look underneath. You see, I got some type of container down there, bro. So, driving back home after the car meet, and I had no steering. I couldn't move my wheel at all. So, take a look right here. Let me take this.
What's up, guys? I'm here too.
Oh yeah, your boy Alec and our boy just the hood right here. Take a look here. You see that we got no fluid at all. There's nothing in there. Shit is empty. So I guess when I was driving home, I guess I had like no fluid left in it, so the wheel was working extra hard, and I don't know, something happened. I heard a little bang, and now we dripped a lot of fluid out. Like I made it home last night, and today we're gonna be working on that. So we're gonna trip Canadian tires. I'm gonna sell some power steering fluid, just a regular one, the one that we use here. Do that. Right now I'm gonna put a little bit in it right now and at least get into the garage, because I don't want to get into the garage and it be like hard. I want to see if I put some fluid in it that it will work easier. So alright, finally got it open. We're gonna fill it to the mix. Oh my god, that was close.
Drop the cap.
Trick I learned from Carnival. Shout out to my boy Carnes. In case you leave the hood down, stop it so you don't forget to close it. Which you probably won't. So if you come over here, there's you gotta come on this side. Come over here, there's a max and then there's a min. We're gonna fill it to we're gonna put a little bit in it right now and see what happens. See if we leak.
That was perfect.
Let's see what happens, bro.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's leaking right on my pan. I don't know if you guys see that, but it's leaking. I don't know if you can see that, but that's fresh, guys. Yeah, keep going. This one more, this one more. Straight. Go, you're good. So right now, guys, we are, should I tell what we're doing?
Well, right now we're jacking up the car. We couldn't get it from the front because for some reason there's so much plastic that we couldn't find a stable frame that's not on the part that we need to like take off and shit.
So right now, he's taking the plate off. Alright, so we almost got the backing plate off.
Ratchet.
It's right there, bro.
Where? Oh, this?
Now we got our boy Nicho here.
Oh, you have it, right? No, I don't.
Okay, well we got Nicho here now. What's up?
What's up, baby? Ollie, do you see the ratchet? It's
Right here? Or this one?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we found where the leak was. If you want to come down here, Alec, Sean.
You fucking serious?
So we couldn't really do anything. I'll put some electrical tape on it. It's not really gonna do anything. I just don't want it to leak over on the road. We're gonna drive it to a mechanic and probably get it fixed there because this is not my specialty down here, and it's a very what would you call it? I don't know, power steering is a really big thing, obviously, so we're gonna have to get it done by a professional rather than me doing it myself. Probably take this. Probably gonna continue this video another day. This shit ain't working, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's leaking pretty good now.
I can't even see.
Oh shit, it's a spider, bro. Someone get that fool.